Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another unboxing for you guys. This is a pre-loved niece train case by Louis Vuitton. I have not opened the actual dust bag, but it came really nicely packed in this priority box, taped very well. I'm going to put the Instagram handle in the description box as to who I bought it from. It is called Her Authentic. She gets all kinds of designer handbags and sells them really at a reasonable price. Hubby actually surprised me by getting this for me, and I'm so excited. You guys know I am a makeup artist. I've been in the cosmetic industry for so long now. I'm going to try and do this very quickly because I do have my girls in the next room, and we all know how that goes. So again, I will link her handle from Instagram. I believe she does have a YouTube channel. I will link that as well. So this bag retails for $27.60 on the Louis Vuitton website, and I got it for $18. I know it's expensive, but it's an awesome purchase. So first of all, it can't come with the dust bag, which is like this. It smells like brand new, you guys. Okay, oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it is in mint condition. Such great condition. That's why hubby jumped on it so quickly. But look at her, you guys. How gorgeous is she? It looks brand new, minus a little bitty water marks around the side, around the bottom, but you can't even really tell that it's got water stains. So let's open her up. So this is just the I guess the little luggage tag. It just says Louis Vuitton Paris on it. It did come with the actual strap, which is really nice and looks brand new. It's also adjustable, so you can just adjust the length. It's got a great color. It still looks like brand new. And it also comes with the mirror that actually goes on the case. And she just goes, "Thank you for your purchase. So show us how you style it. Using #HerAuthentic." So my husband spoke to her on the phone. It says, "Lorenzo, have a safe drive to Cali. I hope your wife loves her new vanity case. Have her tag us on her next video and we will share it. XO Natalie." That was really sweet. She also put this bag in there. So we shall see what's in here. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, it's like little Louis Vuitton perfume. How adorable. I didn't even know they made perfume. So she put, I guess they're all different. I'll put the names in the description box of all of these, but how cute, you guys. She gave me all of these as a little gift. All right, so first of all, the inside is like perfect. There's no stains, nothing at all. This is where the mirror goes. It's got a little pouch in here that you can put anything in, and then it's got this adjustable it has this adjustable little strap right here where you can just tighten liquids or anything that you don't want to stain the bag, which I am going to put all my stuff in plastic bags just so I don't stain this. And then it does come with this, like, maybe, I think this is just to keep its shape. As you can tell, the whole bag, the whole case looks brand new. There's nothing wrong with it at all. And I'm so excited to start using it. Let me put the little mirror in there. It just slides in, so if ever it gets broken or anything, you can always just like order another one. let's put the strap on it. Again, I don't think it comes, it didn't come with the lock and key, but like I said, you can purchase that at Louis Vuitton. So, and the zipper actually goes, it doesn't go all the way around, it just stops right here. But you guys, I'm gonna say it's on the actual last hole right here, and it's down to my hip. So you can definitely make it shorter if you wanted to. It's just such a beautiful train case. I love it so much. So again, I will link all of the information down below. And yeah, let me know if you guys have one of these, how you love it, how you put your makeup in it, if you do own one. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.